Now I'm giving my testimony.
Hi, my name is Abha and I'm a student of BGS Molyko. I'm also a member of the Young Club where we learn about new technology, social media, and also learn how to advocate. My research topic is nature conservation. By title it Nature Conservation in Cameroon, because most people in Cameroon do not put nature conservation into practice. Before going deep into this topic, I would like to define nature conservation. It is the practice of protecting our natural environment and resources. To catch more information, stay tuned.
Some people they bubble low. I continue.
Good evening, Mr. Misango. Is it okay if I ask you a few questions about nature conservation?
That is okay, I'll be glad to answer.
So, Mr. Misango, what actually is nature conservation?
Nature conservation to me is using and managing natural resources in a way that their present quality is not lost. That is, making use of nature without damaging it or without reducing its capacity to provide for future generations.
Is nature conservation being practiced in Cameroon?
Nature conservation is being practiced in Cameroon. Yes, I think up to an extent, nature conservation is being practiced. We cannot boast that it's 100%, but I really do think it's being practiced. For example, what we do is nature conservation. There is effort from the government, and there are other NGOs and associations that are also carrying out activities.
So, how does nature conservation has a lot to do with our survival?
First of all, you should understand that we all live from the bounty of nature. We are part of nature, first of all, is what you should understand. Look at the food you eat every day. Look at the water we drink. Look at where you live. Everything around us is coming from nature. The houses we live in are built with material that comes from nature. So if I start with water, for example, we know that water consists of about 70% of the earth. Your same body is almost the same, about that same percentage of your body is made up of water, and it's so vital to your existence. So if we just consider that the water that is available for all of us to drink is polluted, and then you see that in a short time we might not be even be alive, depending on the level of pollution. So everything that we depend on, most of the things we depend on come from nature. So
how can the community, the government, and
I will start with the government. The government can conserve nature, or can better conserve nature by first of all putting into place conducive laws. I mean laws that prohibit the destruction of nature, laws that protect nature, and also laws that compensate or try to encourage people to protect nature. The government can also, through some ministry like the Ministry of Environment, carry out practical conservation projects in the field, like tree planting, waste collection and management, sensitization and education, and all that. Okay, for organizations, NGOs like Green Cameroon, we can also sensitize the people. We can also carry out practical activities in the field to make sure that we contribute towards nature conservation, like water catchment protection, education and sensitization, community development projects that are helping people to understand and get a better living standard so that they don't destroy nature. And as individuals, the first thing individuals should understand is that they are part of nature, and that once they are damaging nature, then they are damaging their own selves. And there are a lot of many actions that individuals can pose or can do to conserve nature. You could start by reducing the quantity of energy you consume, like not leaving lights on, because every time you have a bulb that is on, it's energy you are using, and it is needed all over the place. And so when you are wasting water, for example, you leave a tap running maybe while you are brushing your teeth, that is water that other people need elsewhere. And so just by learning how to manage the way you use water, reducing the waste of water, not allowing pipes to leak all over the place, trying to keep your environment clean, like not throwing plastic papers all over the place, planting trees say around catchment areas to make sure that the quantity of water that is in the soil is conserved, talking to people, trying to make them understand the implication of their daily activities on nature. It's a lot of good things that individuals can do. There are just too many of them. So,
how would the world look like if nature is 100% conserved?
if nature is 100% conserved, the world, I must confess, will be a very happy place, or will be a happier place. I must point out that it's not very realistic to say that nature can be 100% conserved, but if it is done, I think you will have healthier people on earth. We will live longer. You will have happier people because healthy people are happier people. A lot of good things will happen. It's what I think. A lot of good things will happen because people will learn to respect nature, and then you will not have a lot of these natural disasters that we are having these days, like floods, like hurricanes, and changing in agricultural seasons, which means that there will be more food. Farmers will be able to produce more. They will be able to live a greener life, since we will not need to depend so much on artificial things. So in a nutshell, I think the world will be a happier place if nature is properly conserved.
Thank you very much for your time. Thank you very much for watching my video. And as Mr. Sonnen earlier said, nature can never be 100% conserved. And he also said that nature is being mostly practiced in Cameroon, which I suggest has positively answered my specific question. Thank you. If you need more information about nature conservation, you can rush to www.natureconservation2014.wordpress.com. Thank you.
Personally, Personally, I rock your body. I promise you go home, you won't tell daddy. I give it to you like you never had it. Screaming, church, like speaking Chinese. Now waiting me this, back a boom boom. Now waiting I see Zaga, but she know one me. She talks so she know one me. I know go lie, the things within my mind. When I see you dancing, girl, you got me high. And if you wanna try, begin good day tonight. Cause I'm in the mood, as long as you feeling the groove, I deal with you. Personally, I go deal with you. Personally, I go deal with you. I go deal with you. Personally, professionally, I see what you're doing intentionally. Yeah, me want it physically, so give it to me radically.